Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, there's the big outbreak. It can really split it into two pieces. One is really Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, parts of northwest Illinois, and the other is Missouri back to Oklahoma with a lot of wind and large hail, some tornadoes here and a lot of tornadoes up here and significant wind damage in this zone. Now, for us, it's two pieces. There goes the piece that came out of Iowa. You see all the warnings here, and then there's some of the warnings around St. Louis. This is moving northeastward. This is kind of moving east, and there's that break the models have been hinting at all day right in that zone. And you might wonder, well, how can that happen? That just doesn't make sense. Well, we got to look at the upper jet streak. Jet stream is a river of fast-flowing air, but within the jet stream, there can be little cores where the wind is blowing really strong at upper levels. And that's what we've got here. This is a jet streak that's riding, kind of going through the trough and then moving up here towards Canada. And on the left front quadrant, you get all the rising air motion. And then on the right rear quadrant, you get the rising motion. So these are the areas that have the severe weather, because that's where all the rising, that's where the divergence is occurring. The negative sign, that's the sinking air of the jet streak. So the air's sinking on this side. So we may end up in the sinking sides of the jet streak overnight, where we just don't get very much. And all the severe weather is down here and up here. We still got to monitor it though, because here's the viewing area, and there are those storms just south of 74 and I-72. That is actually, that's 72 there here in southern Illinois. So we're going to watch those as they move eastward. We'll wait and see if they come a little farther northward, and then these will miss us. Those are going to move up towards Michigan tonight. Temperatures are warm. It's hard to believe it's May, and temps still running in the low 80s at this hour. We're going to watch that 1 to 4 a.m. time frame. If the line from the south can move a little farther northward, some wind risk with it. Otherwise, warm. 72 early tomorrow morning after a drop to 69 overnight. Tomorrow's kind of a partly cloudy day. Pretty nice day overall, breezy to windy. Couple spotty showers in the southeast and maybe a couple very, very early tomorrow morning. And there are the highs upper 70s to as high as about 84 for tomorrow afternoon, and the humidity decreasing later in the afternoon. And Thursday's a nice day. We get the sun out. We've got upper 70s to low 80s over the area, anywhere from 80 at Lafayette to 78 at Frankfort. So this model's trying to bring a few storms north from the south tonight. So that's 2:30 in the morning. And it does bring them up towards Logansport by 4. So still 1 to 4. We're still going to watch that time frame. And then we look ahead. Anything tomorrow is going to be very isolated and down in our southeastern counties. All right, your 10-day outlook. 80 Thursday, some late storms Friday. Saturday looks okay. Some storms though on Sunday and a few on Memorial Day. Then we cool off and turn less humid next week.
All right.